We were approached by GoTimeGear.com to check out their brand new product called Life Bivy. And we're a pretty big fan of the concept of bivy sacks. We like to have as few products with us as possible, but we like to feel like we're secure in our everyday carry bag, so that if something were to happen on a hike or something like that where we needed to stay overnight, we'd feel comfortable doing that. So we agreed to check out the Life Bivy, and we're pretty pleased with how it came out. We took it to Montana with us and played in the snow.
Position.
It's okay, slide on in. Can you get your whole body in it, I bet, huh? There you go. Is it warm and toasty? Are you asleep yet? What do you think?
Awesome.
Warm? There you go.
One thing we really like about this product is the size. We like to allow our boys to carry their own packs, and so in order to do that, we need to make things as light as possible. So inside this box, you'll find an even smaller package, and you're like, oh my gosh, how does a baby sack fit into that? Well, this is an emergency style baby sack, so it's got reflective properties, it's sleeping bag and tent kind of all in one. It will protect you from the cold. It also comes in this really nice reusable nylon pouch, paracord, but it also can be used as tinder to start a fire. It has a really super loud 120 decibel whistle on it.
And an emergency whistle, which works very well.
So you can reuse this bag, you could use it for a small water bottle or other purposes. Inside the bag is the sack. And it's tall enough to fit Mr. Nature Tech Fam, who's about 6'4", but it was still comfortable enough for our littlest 6-year-old son to get inside. And in fact, I think both of our boys together were inside there at one point. So it's definitely wide enough and tall enough, but easily wrappable around you, so you can hold that heat and warmth into your body. So as you can see, the inside is very reflective. They claim that it reflects about 90% of your body heat to yourself, so that's a really, really good thing to have, especially when you're hiking with kids. And if you can get 2 of you inside one of these baby sacks, even better. Not only will you have the body warmth, but you'll be reflecting a lot of that heat back to you as well. It is tear resistant, and it's pretty sturdy. You can't really punch your hand through it. But you do want to be careful of the seams. Just like any product that is basically glued together, you want to make sure that you're careful. When we had Calvin try it out in his snow cave, we made sure he took his boots off so that the leather or the rubber from the soles of the boots wouldn't be yanking on those seams and pulling them apart. In the situation that we had where we were playing with snow caves, it was a pretty cold day, and it was about 30 degrees, maybe 25, and there was a lot of wind. And so we were showing our kids once again how to construct snow caves, and we thought this is a perfect complement to that kind of a shelter. Although I think this Life Bivy would hold up on its own, I definitely suggest always trying to find yourself some shelter whether it's a brush pile or a ditch or some way to block the wind. The wind is going to be the biggest issue. This is wind and weatherproof, definitely a waterproof product, and certainly it cut down on wind. You heard Calvin mention how much warmer it was in the snow cave when he was inside the bivy sack. Don't forget also that reflective surfaces are great products to have in your bag, whether it's a mirror or a Life Bivy like this, or even a poncho that has reflective surfaces. It's a great way to signal for help if you're lost or if you're stranded out in the woods somewhere and you find that someone's looking for you. The Life Bivy from Go Time Gear is probably worth checking out, especially if you just want kind of a backup system of shelter in your bag. It's definitely a good supplement to something like a snow cave, or if you can create a debris hut and cover it up with branches and things like that to really kind of secure that heat into your body. Another great use for this, which you can see right on the cover, would be to keep it in your car. We can see that, it would fit great into the spare tire area of your car where your jack is, and if you go off the road or if you're stranded somewhere, even if you're just sitting up waiting for help, this would keep you so warm. I think this would be a great addition to any car emergency kit, as well as your hiking bag or everyday carry bag.